Do you want to say something to Amy? Mr. Kitty? Say hi. Say hi. What are you doing? Yeah, rubbing your face all over the place. Look how red your temples are. Look at that. Red temples. Who's coming? Is Maggie coming? Where's Maggie? Where's Maggie? Want to go see Maggie? Yeah, all over my counters. All over my counters. You're not getting doggy food. I know, I'm watching you. You know I'm just going to yell at you because you shouldn't be eating it. You had a cow patty this morning outside the litter box. No, I know. It's tempting. You know I'll say no. That's why you're just sitting here waiting for me to leave the room. I could pick it up and that'll be it.